slowly breaking down, even when I hold you close. Oh, and if I lose you, I'm afraid I would lose who I gave.
So this vlog is gonna be a bit wonky, a bit, you know, it's Friday vlog. I forgot to record a Thursday so that you guys could have something for today, Friday, today, right now. This is like current, like right now. But anyways, I'm gonna put clips, bits and pieces. You're gonna see my husband record. You're gonna see my husband applying for the day job that he got. Yay! He got a day job, so everything can go back to schedule, and I can stop following him around and get my butt back to running this family. So that's that. And then we have to go and print out a whole bunch of forms for him to fill out for the new job. They're doing background check, everything. They're doing everything on this man. So he better not have no criminal history that I don't know about. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? And then we are in the process of buying a house. So yours truly has to fix all of that stuff. And yeah, gotta stop spending money on Ray Dunn. But anyways, yeah, so that's all that's in today's vlog. There's just bits and pieces, and we're on the keto diet, so we've been just walking around just eating vegetable and meat. Yeah, it's working though, because we're losing weight. You know, little cheeky here is just getting smaller. Yeah. Oh, but my hair right here, ooh, yeah, my hair is something else. I don't know what to do with it. I don't know what to do with it. But yeah, that's that. So yeah, that's all today's. I'm sorry if I'm smacking my mouth and it's annoying, but that's all today's vlog is about. And I hope you guys enjoy it. And I will see you guys on Monday. Why, Daddy? Why? Why, Daddy? Why? Here. Get the ketchup. The ketchup's right there.
I'll pick you up in a second, Mommy.
What about Sardines is the best. Their sauces, oh man, this is the best sauce. The best sauce, the bomb. Bomb.com. Bomb.com. This is where I came.
Does this thing work?
Ooh. Is it what?
Oh.
Hi, Miss Quinn. Let me see. Quinny. Guys, it's snowing and raining at the same time. Well, it was raining. Now it's just snowing. Maddie, what are you doing, baby? She laying with Daddy? She's drooling a lot, guys. She don't want that, honey. She don't want that either. I don't want that, Daddy. I don't want that, Daddy. Are you teaching her Spanish, honey?
Yeah.
Maddie, do you know Spanish? Do you know Spanish? Yes. Alright, guys. Enjoy your Spanish time. You missed the bus?
Yes.
Hi, guys. So, Just coming in my house. Say hi. As you can see, my tree is down. I took my tree down. I bought some boxes to organize the tree, but the way how I look, small closet is set up, and my husband has a whole bunch of stuff, right, honey? A whole bunch of stuff in the closet. So everything right now is just over there, just sitting over there somewhere over there. So I have to organize that. I might record organizing them. I might not. I don't know. Maddie's in her thing. I am so sleepy and tired. I don't know why. My energy was just, I ate some spicy Jamaican chicken and it just drained my energy. It just pulled, it just sucked the energy out of me. And now I just feel like laying down, like literally just laying down. I wore my Uggs today. I wore my Uggs. See? Wore my Uggs today. It was hot. I don't know why I wore them. It was hot. And I cleared off my couch. I've been productive. I've been looking for rate done items. Just I found 2 mugs. I found 2 mugs at Marshall's just now, and they're on clearance for $2 a piece. So if you're looking for a mister, let me know. I have 2. So if you want them, I pick them up because I figured, you know, people are looking for them. So my husband found a job. Yay! Yay! Honey, gonna celebrate? Gonna celebrate?
Yay!
Yay! He found a day job. He starts, I believe, Monday. Monday is when he starts. And I'm gonna decorate this wall right here because this is gonna be my filming wall where I record. So I'm gonna decorate this area right here, do something with it, and that's it. So I'll catch you guys later. Juju, where's your ball? Where's your ball? Go get it. Get your ball, buddy. Go get your ball. I bought this for Maddie. I bought this little chair for Maddie. But the problem with this little chair is that she's too, this little insert right here has a strap right there, but she's too fat to fit with the straps and stuff, so I put her, but then when she sits, she falls forward and she squirms a lot, and she's too small for just this. So this was a waste of money. This was the ingenuity. Don't get me lying. Then it has a little tray. And the tray comes out. I put it there, and it just becomes a feeding thing for Mad. So yeah. What are you doing, Gio?
Bye.
Why are you not at school?
I don't know.
So, I found Darling today, and hello. And then the other day I found Faith, Wish, Relax, Hustle, Hugs, Mrs. XOXO, Mr. and Kisses. Then I found these beauty the other day. Saw them Mom and Dad, and the infamous Beauty and the Beast right there.
You found Beauty and the Beast?
Yeah. And then down here, these are the ones that I found and will be selling. just for, you know, these are the ones I found. We'll be getting rid of to people that are collecting. I'm not an upseller, whatever. I just find them, and I figured other collectors would like to have them because a lot of people can't find them. So when I find them, I pick them up and sell them to other women that are trying to add to their collection. So I have all these are the ones that I don't have, that I do have. So I found Create and Dream I don't have, but my husband said that I can't add any more to my collection, so they're down here. And then these Love and Kisses, and then I have trays. And then today I found two misters. One for, they were $2 on sale. There's the other one, $2. And then these signs that are gonna go over there. The coolest mom ever, because I am my favorite love story is ours. It's okay to have too much fun. And last but not least, an arrow. I've been looking for an arrow for so long. This wall right here, I'm gonna redo this wall, so look out for that. That is the wall over there that I'm redoing right there, because that's where I record. And yeah. What's that? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dog out? The cat?
Why'd you gonna step on my shoes?
Now we know who let the dog out.
Why?
Here. I get the little princess. She's sleeping. What are you doing, honey?
Printing out